Your mask is going to come standard with ear loops right here. And this is how most people find that they like to wear it. But if you're wearing this for long durations and you want something that's going to be really secure around the back of your head, what we suggest is you actually try the around the head option. And this can be done by simply pulling the ear loops out like this. And I'm just going to untie the left and the right ear loops. So now I have one loop right here. I'm going to do that for the other side as well. So you can see now that this is open. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to open the mask so it's a little bit clearer. And so we have the top right and the top left loops, and I'm going to take them together and I'm going to create a simple knot like that. And I'm going to do the same with the bottom. So now you can see that there's a loop in the back right here like this. And if I want, I can actually tuck these knots away. And here we go. So now this is available so they can go behind the neck and behind the head right here.